Visitors must dress thoroughly in the temple. You must keep quiet inside the temple.
You mustn't throw cabbage in the open area.
Visitors mustn't wear short skirts or shorts in the temple. They mustn't sell any kinds of goods in the temple.